Okay, so in this video what I'm going to do is just introduce you to Google Chrome. Now Google Chrome is more than just a web browser, okay? This is kind of like an online computer software system that actually loads apps within it, and you can add things to the functionality of Chrome to make it more usable, make it more friendly, and really to reduce your time as you try and do things with Google Chrome. So you can see I'm going to start up here in the right hand corner. I'm currently browsing as a guest and I can choose to log back in as myself. Okay, over here I've got all of my settings, so I've got new tabs if I want. I can zoom in, I can zoom out. There's more tools that will come up here if I want to save a page. I can go to all of my settings, etc. But what I want to do, and what you need to make sure you've done, is that you actually log into Google Chrome as a user. So I'm just going to choose me. Okay, so this is now what Chrome looks like for me. Now in Chrome, this bar here where you normally have your URL, your website address in it, is actually called the Omnibox, and it can do a lot more than simply find or to navigate to a website. So I could, for example, just put in my website, and that'll come up nice and quickly and easily. Or if I like, I could say convert 300 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius. Beautiful. So automatically it's picked up what I'm thinking here, and then this is not actually a Google search. This is just it doing it for you. So it's going to tell you what that is in Celsius, and you can do it the other way around. If you want a timer, okay, you might say timer. Let's say you want it for an exam that goes for 3 hours and 5 minutes. Right, and there we have a timer that comes up. You can use it as a stopwatch if you like. You can reset it. It'll have a little hooter that will go off. All those types of things. So you can actually use the Omnibox for more than just website navigation. Other than the Omnibox, the other things that you want to notice here in Google Chrome is on the left hand side here I have apps. So if I click there, that'll take me to all the Google apps, my Chrome apps that actually sit within Chrome. And so these are apps, they're applications that actually function within Chrome as a software system, not just as a web browser. You'll then see next to my apps, I've got all these things here. These are actually bookmarks, and if I want to add something to that, all I need to do is click on this star, and that will bookmark the page. I can choose where I put it in my bookmarks, etc., and then add it. Now, if you want to then find more bookmarks, you go to the side here and you get all your bookmarks there. Or I believe if you click up here, you can find your bookmarks and you can see how many they tend to build up. Okay. The next thing is to actually look at extensions for Chrome. Now, what I'm going to do here is go to the Chrome Web Store. Okay. And the Chrome Web Store is where you can have a look at purchasing, or most of them are free, extensions for Chrome, and you can also find other apps you might want to add to your Google Chrome. Now you can see along the top here, these are all the extensions that I have already added to my Google Chrome. If I went back to my guest, you can see there's nothing there, okay, and none of their bookmarks, there's nothing. So they need to add bookmarks and stuff in there, whereas if it's me, all my stuff is all there ready to go. So these are my bookmarks, these are my extensions, and extensions are things that really allow Chrome to do things beyond what is normally expected. So for example, this extension here called One Tab, if I have 20 tabs that are open on my Chrome and I want to close my computer, restart it or something, if I press that, it will actually turn all of those tabs into one tab and give me a single page with all the links to all the tabs I just had open, so that I don't lose them. Okay, there's Boomerang here, which is a great extension to use, particularly with Gmail. There's other extensions like this extension here. If I click on that, it'll ask me to readjust my screen. So if I'm using two different tabs and I'm copying things from one to the other, or I just need to be able to see both things at the same time, particularly useful for when you're creating a program, you want to look at the syllabus while you program. You might choose one of these views and it will automatically split that up for me. Okay, and so there's lots and lots of these extensions, and you can just go here to the Chrome Web Store and you can search for any of these extensions. So there's your introduction to Chrome.